Shut!
The murderer left a note. We can capture the murderer by analysing the ink using chromatography. Let's go to the lab.
I've never liked Mr. Austin. The reason being he never turns up to my fitness classes, which I offer to staff. Useless.
Austin doesn't support the right football team.
Mr. Austin, he was like the worst. He kept going around like, I'm a better chemistry teacher than Miss Allingham. IB, that's worthless. Blah, blah, blah.
Mr. Austin's dead. 3 suspects. We collected them up, we rounded them up. Each suspect had a pen. There was a note left upon his dead body. If we match up the ink that was used in the note to the pens, we can capture the note. So we are now in the lab. We've taken the samples of the pens to our forensic scientist, Mr. Ran, who's going to run the analysis and hopefully find out who killed Mr. Austin.
Okay, so I'm currently running the ink from the murderer. Like, this is the one we took from the note. And I have the ink from the 3 different pens. And what we're gonna do is put a dot of the ink in each of this paper and let it run the same way we're running this one. And then we're gonna compare them. So obviously the one that matches the murderer, that's the person who killed our dear Mr. Austin.
So everybody, we have our results. Let's go to our analyst for the explanation and the reveal.
Okay, so we have the results here. As you can see, we ran the 3 samples and comparing them to the murder ink, you can see the one that matches is from suspect number 3. As you see, these both have red, but in here you can see a hint of yellow that matches the murder weapon.
Sir Ellingham, you are arrested on suspicion of murder.
What?
You do not have to say anything. Anything you do say may be given in evidence in court.